Welcome to Backyard Woodworking again. I have another item here for you for a quick review. Harbor Freight again. Watch out for the sales and coupons. Believe me, you save money. I bought a 3/4 inch pipe clamp. Nothing much to say. As far as it seems to work very smoothly. You put a piece of wood in, let me see, let me get you a piece of wood here. Let's see, here you go. If I was gluing the panel, say, puts a lot of pressure on it, believe me, with just a little bit of a turn. Got a nice fly on here too. Price, regular price $8.99. On sale, I think it's $9.99 they list for. They're usually on sale for $8.99. I had a 20% off coupon for this one, so I got 20% off of that for this. Now the pipe, check in your local stores. Threaded pipe is not cheap. So I, as an old plumber, slash electrician, slash carpenter, slash you name it, I've done a lot of it in my life. Rigid. Stock and die. I've got a 1/2 inch die in this one. Thread your own pipe, you'll save a ton. You could probably buy a 20-foot length, have them cut it in half for you at a plumbing supply house. Get it for like 20-something bucks. I don't have the 3/4 die, I can't find it. I had it, I don't know what happened to it, but over the years it probably got misplaced. But I looked around on the internet, eBay and Amazon. You can buy an offshore thread cutting set, stock with 5 dies for $31. I found on one site. So peek around, and believe me, the $31 will save you a ton if you're going to make a lot of pipe clamps. If you buy a short piece of pipe like this, it can cost you like $8, $9. The price of the clamps. So you can save a bundle if you just thread your own. All you need is the stock, a die, a pipe wrench or two. Put it on the pipe to keep it from turning while you're juicing it up with a stock of die, and a little thread cutting wheel. You can take kerosene and regular motor oil, water it down if you want to. Buy some cheap oil, or use motor oil will work even. You drain it out of a car. Put a little kerosene in that. You can use that. It's just threading. All you're doing is lubricating the die so you don't burn it up. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Appreciate it.